Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. In this video, we will discuss various inbuilt string functions in PHP. So let's start. String is a collection of characters. PHP provides various string functions to perform various operations on string. Let's discuss some of them. So first is integer ORD. Here, integer means this function return an integer value when this is executed. All string function takes string as an argument and perform operation on string. So, ORD function return ASCII value of first letter of given string. Second is string to lower. It converts string into lowercase letter. Third is string to upper. It converts string into uppercase letter. Next is altrim. You can download this PPT. Link available in description. Next is altrim. Then next is trim. So here I mentioned most common string function. You can read description from PPT. So let's implement some string functions. First, we declare string variable and assign it with string. Now we execute ORD function. So here we write echo ORD dollar string str. Here we pass str as an argument. This function return ASCII of first character. So in our case ASCII of age is 104. Let's see the output. As you can see, 104 is printed. Now we convert string into uppercase letter. For that, we use string to upper function. So we write echo string to upper dollar $str. Let's see the output. So in output, string is converted into uppercase. Next we call str function. So we write echo str dollar str comma double quote o. So here this function find first occurrence of o from high on code and return portion of string from high on code. So let's see the output. As you can see, on code is printed. Next function is string reverse function. This function reverse the given string. So for this we write echo strrev dollar str. So in output the reverse of high on code is printed. Now we declare second string variable and assign it with high on code. For better understanding, we insert 5 white space next to the high on code. So now we find the length of the string. To find the length we use string length function. So we write echo strlen dollar str2. As you can see in output 15 is printed because our string contains 10 characters and 5 white space. Now we implement altrim function. This function remove white space from left side of string. So here we implement altrim function within string length function. So we write echo string length altrim dollar string2. Let's see the output. As you can see, output is 10. because assume remove 5 white space from the string. So we implement our next function is print. It is used to print. It's similar to echo statement. So we print thank you using print function. As you can see, thank you is printed. If you have any doubt, then comment us. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel.